What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, outside of Goodwill. This one's usually not that great, but we're gonna head inside anyway, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Maybe we'll get lucky today. Haven't been here in a while. Let's do it. All right, first things first. Oh, they kind of moved the media around a little bit. We'll take a quick glance, see if they have any cool things in here. Here's a brand new Spider-Man DVD. That could be good. They're charging $3 a DVD, so not bad. Some Deepak Chopra workout DVD. You never know. I always just try to look up anything that's brand new sealed. Like book club's probably not going to be worth it, but anything sealed I'll scan in for sure. Here's another. Sometimes these double features do pretty well, so we'll look that up. Stormhawks. Never heard of that. Cartoon Network show. What do we have down here? Not sealed, not sealed. Okay, so there's a couple things to scan, so I'll just scan them real quick. Anything? Oh, wow. I didn't even realize. Look at how many are around the corner here. We got DVDs for days. So, anything popping out to me? I know of a few of the Blu-rays to keep an eye out for. There's a few really good ones. None of these, though. The choice. What's this one that's backwards? Ooh, Final Destination 5. This might actually have gone up in value a little bit because the new movie's in theaters right now. So we'll still look that up. And yeah, if we find anything cool, you guys will see it. Alright, these are the 3 movies I pulled out that were worth it. This first one is massive. Keep an eye out for this. Disney life size. The VHS sells for over $30, but this DVD, brand new, take a look at that price, $75. Holy cow, that's crazy. Brand new price right there. Even used, it sells pretty well, so keep an eye out for this. Also, double features, like I was saying, not the original one I showed you guys, but this one's good. All the Right Moves and Great Expectations DVD set, $3, selling for, I think, over 20, somewhere around there. And then the last one I grabbed is used, the complete series of Alien Nation for $8, kind of expensive, but after fees, you get about 18 on it, so make $10 profit. Pretty sweet, we'll grab that. And I didn't scan everything here. There's still a few things I kind of want to look at. Streets of San Francisco looks neat. Oh, we have a brand new sealed Lipstick Jungle Season 1 for $2, and green is half off. So it's only $1. So we're going to have to look that up. Let's see. Alright, we'll scan it in using the Amazon Seller app and nothing comes up. So the cool thing about the Amazon Seller app is you can take pictures of the front of the DVD and it should pop up. So we'll wait for it to read that. It did. And here it is. Nobody's on the listing, so it could be very rare. We're gonna check eBay, so we'll flip it back around and we'll open up eBay and we'll scan it in that way. So I'll use the little camera icon there, the barcode scanner, and let's scan it in, see what happens. We're gonna filter condition new, and it looks like nope, brand new, $2, $10, $5, so it's about $5. It's only $1 and nobody's on Amazon. You could probably squeeze 15 out of it. We could definitely try that, so that could be cool. What else did I see that was new? Three's Company Season 1 for $2.99, but it's half off, so only $1.50. Let's scan this into Amazon and see what we get. At $1.50, it's probably gonna be worth it. Yep, it's selling for $12. You'd make $5.31, so some profit in there. Not too bad. I'll scan through a few more DVDs, but let's go check out more of the store. Alright, this is kind of cool. We have some Funko Pops, and you can see what's on sale. Blue and green, 50% off. These are all yellow, so they're not going to be on sale. But it looks like they are $5.99 each. And when it comes to Funko Pops, I try to avoid anything with box damage like that. It's very minor, but the collectors care quite a bit. This one looks perfect. Morty with laptop. Let's scan that in, see what he's going for. All right, scan him into Amazon like so. And there he is. Not bad. Selling for $25.95. You'd make 16 minus the little bit on there. What, the $6? Yeah, minus the 6. It's about a $10 profit. We'll grab that. I'm gonna scan all the rest and see if we have any winners. All right, so I just scanned through all of these, and these two are not worth anything. These two are worth it, but the boxes are damaged, so I'd have to sell them as used. And this one is new at $6, and it sells for $24.79. So again, it's about another $10. We'll take that. But these ones are very special, and I wanted to show them off even though they're used. This Minecraft flaming skeleton down there, the box is just really scratched up on the front, so you wouldn't want to sell it as new. And here it is selling new for $50. Used, it's going for $80. So realistically, you could probably get 30 out of it, knock 20 bucks off. Not bad, we'll grab that. And then this Destiny figure right above is selling really well. Brand new, it's selling for $65 and used $58. Now, you probably have to get a little bit less than 58, probably closer to 45 to get a pretty good sale on it, but still, that's awesome. It's very rare that you find valuable Funko Pops at a Goodwill, and we did, so I'm gonna grab these 3. All right, over by the books, and I just spotted something out of the corner of my eye. I saw this red case down here. It's new Super Mario Bros. For the Wii. It's only $2.99. Not on sale, but who cares? $3. Make sure it's in here. Okay, yep, that sounds about right. Thomas and Friends. I don't even know why I checked the condition of the disc, but it is scratched. They almost always are. Not even in the case. That's a shame. Could have been good, could have been great, as is life. And that's what happens at Goodwill all the time whenever you find video games. So it's very rare that you'll find a video game at a Goodwill. We'll keep looking. All right, we have a little toy section over here, and we actually have, oh my gosh, a whole bunch of these AEW figures right here at $7.99 each. Stacks and stacks of them. Oh my gosh, look back there. They're everywhere. Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to do some scanning. We also have a sealed anti-monopoly. Wow, I haven't found this many toys at a Goodwill in so long. Look at them all. They're everywhere. I'm going to scan through these. Let's hope they're worth it. $8 is a lot, but who knows? They might sell for 30. Let's find out. All right, so you guys can see how many of them were here. I scanned through a bunch, came around here. There were some more, and they're almost all not worth it. Besides this guy right here, I got 2 of them. This Christian Cage. They're $8. They were all $8 each, and I'll pop up the price. I'm gonna make like 10 bucks on them, I think, something around there. Not bad. 2 of the exact same ones, so I'll grab them. And then this anti-monopoly was good. It's $10, but it's half off, so it's only $5, and it's selling for over 20. And Ashley just found a mini Motherlode. Are these all Christian Cages? Oh, Brian Cage. Okay, so we're gonna have to look up Brian Cage. But there is a Christian Cage in here, and another Christian Cage. So, okay, little mini Motherlode. Let's see what's worth it. All right, so we were able to pull out 2 more of the Christian Cages out there. The Brian Cage wasn't worth anything, sadly, but now we got 4 of them. So that's awesome. This Goodwill is turning out to be pretty good. We're gonna keep looking. I see a brand new sealed Chutes and Ladders up here. Maybe that's worth it. Let's grab it and take a look. Here it is at $5.99, $6 to Chutes and Ladders. Scanned it into Amazon. It sells super fast, but only for $12.99. Not going to be worth it. We'll put this back. All right, guys, we were just at the Elephant's Trunk flea market, and I had gotten something by Jeff Dunham. Maybe I'll pop the clip up on here of me grabbing a ventriloquist dummy doll of Jeff Dunham's little puppet, Little Jeff, I think. And now we have Akmed. What are the odds? He's $15. He's just a talking doll. He's not a ventriloquist, so maybe he's not worth as much, but we're about to look him up. He might be good. All right, so I just looked up the doll. He is not on Amazon, so I had to check eBay, and this is interesting. Here's the solds. One sold this month for only $32 plus shipping, but then one sold last month for $100, and then same thing last month for $40 plus shipping, and then $50 plus shipping. Not many solds. There's a lot listed right now, so I can't spend 15 bucks on it. It's pretty crazy. I'm surprised it's not worth as much, but that one $100 sale is kind of throwing me for a loop a little bit. And 50, I mean, realistically, that's not bad to spend 15 bucks on that. The box is a little damaged, but with how many are listed online right now, I just don't think it's going to be worth it. Oh yeah, you can see how messed up the box is up here. Crazy to find another Jeff Dunham doll. It's a shame it's not worth as much as the other. I'm sure if he was an actual ventriloquist dummy, you could do really, really well on it. So keep an eye out for ventriloquists. The just talking dolls, they still sell, just not as well. All right, making our way down to the electronics, and I see a DVD VCR combo. You do not see these too often anymore. It's an Emerson, which not a super high-end brand. You really want to look for Samsungs, Sonys, things like that, so probably won't mess with that one. I also have a bunch of them I need to test and get listed. Brother printers can do really well. I bet you this is worth some pretty good money. But again, I have a lot of printers, but I'll still pop the prices up so you guys can see. I just have so many that even if it's worth $200-300, I just do not have the desire to test them. I have multiple of these sitting at the house. What else do we have hidden back here? A little Sony Dream Machine. These can be good too. I've never seen one with the red top. $12 though. It's a little much. All right, not too bad. What else do we have here? It's a little Dymo label printer for $8. No way to test it. Those can have some value. This model probably not super crazy. I'm not seeing anything else in the electronics. We have some DVD players, $15 each. That's a little bit. Yeah, crock pots. Lots of cool stuff here today, though. I mean, this Goodwill is kind of packed. I'm loving it. I remember this brand, PetSafe, because I've sold stuff by PetSafe before. This is an outdoor bark control. It looks brand new. It is brand new. It's like glued. $3 on the top, $6 on the front. So, it was at Goodwill in 2023 for $3, and then inflation hit in 2025. It's $6. It's doubled price. Crazy. So let's scan it in, see if it's worth anything. It's made 2 rounds through Goodwill, and maybe it'll make a round onto Amazon or eBay. I'm gonna open up the app. All right, we have eBay open first, so I'll check eBay first, and then I'll check Amazon. So let's scan the barcode, and there it is, $28, $15, so nothing crazy. Amazon, if it has it at like $30, probably be worth it. Let's try scanning it. And, oh, there it is, $30. Wow, I kind of called it. I am restricted now, though. Amazon's been restricting a lot of brands. And, yeah, you'd make $18 on it. It has a pretty decent rank, but the reviews are poor. That's probably why it keeps getting returned everywhere. I'm going to see if I can request approval on it. I don't think I can. Let's try. I cannot. So we'll just leave it behind. It's no big deal. All right, there's a whole bunch of skateboards here. They're all from Target, I believe. So they don't really have any value. They have them at $15. So nothing I could really mess with. There's also some Caitlin Clark basketballs for $13 each. Caitlin Clark is like amazing, I think. I don't know. But over here, we have the Rick's Beating Loom, and it is $5. I don't see the price. It was $10, but it's half off for $5 right now. And I'll pull up the price. So at $5, brand new Rick's Beating Loom. Here it is on Amazon. Sells really well for $53. What the heck? So we'll definitely take that for this brand new beating loom. Yeah, oh, there's the price. You can see it was $10, but it's half off, so $5. This is going in the cart, and the cart is actually looking really full. Lots of toys, some games, a beating loom. Crazy, crazy stuff. All right, I'm making my way over to the glass case because this Goodwill's just been so good. Hopefully they have some stuff over here. And I see some LED basketball backboards. Those are actually really cool. $15? Oh my gosh, I want one of those so bad for myself. But I don't think I'm gonna get it. I don't think I'm gonna fork over the money. We also have hover hockey, mini air hockey. Oh, I kind of want one of those really bad too. And those are only $12. Oh, that would be so fun. We have a Friends TV series, the complete series, sealed. Seasons 1 through 10. That might be worth it. I don't see a price. Yeah, it's probably on the other side, so we'll have to look into that. What else do we have here? A bunch of... I don't even know what this stuff is. You guys can kind of see me here. Hey, what's up? How's it going? I don't even know what any of that stuff is, so nothing I want to mess with. Got some golf clubs here. Yeah, they're a little old, little nothing I'm looking for. A shark robot for $150, but it's half off. $75. If that's new, that might be worth it. Ooh, it's unlocked. I see something Pokemon right here. Are there cards in here? That would be cool. No cards. Oh, there were cards. Somebody taped all their cards in here to make it look cool inside. It's actually kind of neat. How much do they want for this? No price. So that's fine. Put that back. What else is down here? First aid kit. A lot of random stuff. I'm interested in that Shark IQ robot. I'm gonna look that up. What else is in here? Polaroid camera for $12? I don't know. What's this? A Nintendo Switch carrying case for 15 bucks. There's a game in here. Don't think so. Nope. No games, no nothing. 15 bucks is a lot for that. So we'll put that back. And what's in here? I think if it's video games, that'd be cool, but I have a feeling it's CDs or maybe like an audiobook Bible. I feel like I see that a lot with this. Yeah, just CDs. Burned CDs also, so yeah. Okay, we'll leave that. All right, guys, so to my surprise, Ashley is very down to get this LED basketball thing for our basement. So at $15, I'm getting this. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna set this up and play. I'm stoked about that. And then we have, oh, I didn't show you guys this. I found a reverse charades game. Nobody's on the Amazon listing. It's $4, but it's half off, so only $2. I'm just gonna take a gamble on it. I feel like a sealed game at $2, you can't go wrong. So we're taking that. And then in here, I was gonna look up this shark robot. I can't tell if it's new or not. I don't think it is, but who knows how it looks inside. So I'm gonna try to grab the barcode and scan this in. So this friend set right here, oh, by the way, guys, the robot only sells for about $100 on eBay shipped, so not getting it. But this friend set right here, if I could find the price on it, since it's brand new, seasons 1 through 10, here it is on Amazon, sells super, super fast. Used for $39, so you'd make $21, brand new for $50. So what, if it's $39 for $21, probably like $30-ish, give or take. So I don't know. I feel like they're gonna have it priced at $20 to $30, so it probably won't even be worth it, but you never know. Gotta look it up. All right, so I just walked out of the Goodwill and take a look at the cart. Here it is. We got a cart full of goodies. We got the DVDs, the charades, and the Funko Pop story is kind of funny. The Rick and Morty one I got was actually really damaged on the side of the box. I didn't notice. They had this guy sitting by the counter. He's worth about 24 bucks, so swapped him out for him. That's awesome. The backboard, the wrestling figures, the loom. It worked out great. Where's the loom? Oh, it's in the trunk. There's the loom. So awesome trip at the Goodwill. Gonna make some bank right here. Love it. We're gonna go to more thrift stores, but if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's Thrift School signing out. See ya.